Everybody get out!
Their brutality is legendary.
Perhaps they did not understand you.
Fearless warlords that rule the criminal underworld. But as the sons of Samedi overrun the streets of Stillwater...
Mr. Sunshine, come on, man. Where's the shipment?
There is no shipment. The Saints stole it. The city's original suppliers will return.
Where are they slinging? I'll buy from them.
No, you will not. And the fight to control the drug market.
It's the Sons of Samedi's #1 product. They call it Loa Dust. If we get enough of the stuff, we might find out how to make it ourselves.
And then we sell it for cheaper and steal their market.
Exactly.
Will begin.
I am the man whose property you stole and destroyed. Gentlemen, dispose of this trash. These saints are proving themselves to be quite the nuisance.
Tell me how we're gonna take out the general.
The saints raised my farm.
Yo, can you cut that out? You're freaking me out.
This fight is far from over. Saints Row 2, coming October 14th.